Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Titan Title for title search status updates, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Titan Title for title search status updates, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Titan Title website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the website loads, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields labeled for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the following field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, look for a button that says Log in or Sign in. Click the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the section labeled Title Search Status. Click on this section to view your title search status updates. If you experience any issues logging in, locate the Forgot Password link. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password recovery process. Follow the prompts provided in the password recovery instructions. Once logged in, you can easily track and manage your title search updates. Be sure to log out after completing your session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.